This is no medical advice for educational purposes only. Consult your doctor. Breathe at your own risk.
You will take around 20,000 breaths today, and you will probably do almost all of them completely by accident. Most of us are breathing fast, shallow, and high in the chest. That pattern sends a continuous signal to your nervous system that you are in physical danger, locking the body into a perpetual loop of fight-or-flight stress. When we feel that constant anxiety, we try to fix it by calming the mind. We try to think our way out of stress, treating the brain and the body as if they operate on two separate systems. But you cannot negotiate with a nervous system that thinks it's being chased. To quiet the mind, you have to address the biological hardware first. Every time you take a shallow, unconscious breath, your body responds to an invisible threat. Over time, that constant state of alert actively accelerates your biological aging. But what if you could force your biology to quiet down? When we breathe quickly and shallowly through the chest, the nervous system gets trapped in a chronic fight-or-flight mode. Your brain assumes you are in danger. Cortisol levels rise, and systemic inflammation takes over your cells. The solution is a precise rhythm known as coherence breathing. By slowing your respiration to exactly 6 breaths per minute, you can achieve cardiovascular resonance, where your entire system drops its defenses. To do this, you need 5 uninterrupted minutes and a place to sit. A quick note: if you have a history of severe heart or blood pressure conditions, please consult your doctor before altering your breathing patterns. We are executing a physical intervention right now to change your cellular chemistry. Follow these exact steps. Your cardiovascular system has a natural resonant frequency. When you breathe at exactly 6 breaths per minute, you hit that frequency, forcing your body's major systems to synchronize. This animation shows your heart rate, blood pressure, and respiration. Normally, they operate on their own chaotic schedules, but breathing at 0.1 hertz brings these 3 elements together, creating a unified rhythmic wave, like singers in a choir matching pitch. This diagram illustrates your glymphatic system. Your breathing rhythm physically controls your brain's waste clearance. The pressure of a long exhale actually pumps cerebrospinal fluid through your brain tissue. This washes away toxic proteins linked to neurodegenerative diseases. At the cellular level, the benefits extend to your DNA. Telomeres act as protective plastic tips on your shoelaces, keeping your chromosomes from fraying. Practicing this specific rhythm has been shown to boost the enzymes that repair these telomeres by 30%. We've known about this biological brake pedal for over a century. In 1921, Dr. Otto Lowy proved that a major nerve, the vagus nerve, releases a chemical called acetylcholine. This chemical physically commands the heart muscle to slow down and rest. This 6 breath per minute rhythm is a highly specific method. It gives you manual, deliberate control over your own cellular repair systems. Step 1 is your physical setup. Sit up straight without being stiff, or lie flat on your back. Rest your hands gently on your thighs, and let your eyes close or simply soften your gaze. You must draw the air in exclusively through your nose. Your nasal passages are built to filter, warm, and properly moisturize the air before it ever reaches your lungs. Make this a slow, quiet intake. Do not gulp. Sniff gently, as if smelling a fragile flower that might break if you breathe too hard. Allow your belly to rise like a filling balloon. To hit the resonant frequency, this slow nasal inhale takes exactly 4 seconds. This specific intake of air shares a lineage with ancient traditions. In ancient texts, this nasal intake was referred to as ruach, or the original breath of life. Mastering this perfectly controlled 4-second nasal inhale sets the stage for the exhale. The exhale is the part of the practice that manually triggers the vagus nerve. Purse your lips together, exactly as if you were blowing gently to cool a spoonful of hot soup. This slight friction creates back pressure, keeping your airways open longer to stretch the exhale out for a full 6 counts. Look at this anatomical drawing. As you extend that exhale, the vagus nerve releases acetylcholine, issuing a direct chemical command for your heart rate to slow down. This slowing sends an all-clear signal down to the cellular level, halting the production of inflammatory proteins. Reinforce this physiological process with a coherence amplifier. Consciously hold a feeling of deep appreciation as you breathe, combining that mechanical 6-second exhale with a genuine feeling of positive emotion stops the physiological signals that drive chronic stress. Settle into your chair. We are going to do 3 complete breathing cycles together right now. Ready? Inhale gently through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now purse your lips and exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale again, letting the belly rise without gasping. 2, 3, 4. And exhale, keeping that slight friction at your lips. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One last time. Inhale quietly. 2, 3, 4. Exhale and bring to mind a feeling of deep appreciation as you empty your lungs completely. 4, 5, 6. Excellent. You have just successfully taken the brakes off your nervous system and activated your parasympathetic resting state. Take a moment to physically audit how you feel. Do you notice a slower heartbeat? Or perhaps a slight warmth in your hands? Those are concrete signs that your blood vessels are opening up and inflammation is dropping. To reap the long-term cellular benefits, remember the golden rule of this practice. Doing this for 5 consistent minutes every single day is far more effective than trying to sit for 30 minutes once a week. You do not need to carve out a special meditation hour. Attach this to your existing habits. Do your 5 minutes immediately upon waking up or right before you go to sleep to maximize that brain-clearing fluid flow. You now have the instruction manual to regulate your own biology. Subscribe to the channel for more science-backed guides, drop a comment below about how your first session felt, and keep breathing.